Welcome to my new series, Meals for Four, under $10. Each week, I will bring you a new delicious and nutritious meal for 4 people that cost only $10 to make. Each video will include the recipe and grocery list, as well as tips and tricks. This week, we are making taco soup. This meal really could not be easier. You can make it in the crock pot or on the stovetop, so quick and filling. This recipe makes so much you will have leftovers for lunch or dinner on another day. Start by browning 1 pound of sausage. Once done, place sausage in a large saucepan or the crock pot. The next part is customizable depending on your preferences. Typically at this point you add 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of corn, 2 cans of beans, ranch, and taco seasoning. However, if you like it hot, use Rotel chili and tomatoes instead of diced tomatoes. If you love corn, put a can of cream style and a can of whole kernel. You can mix and match the beans as well. Kidney and pinto are my favorite, but maybe you prefer black or great northern beans. Finally, I have seen some people use chili powder in addition to or instead of the taco seasoning. Cook until all ingredients are heated through and the seasoning are well incorporated. 3 to 4 hours on high or 6 to 8 hours on low in the crock pot. On the stovetop, I would bring it all to a boil and then reduce the heat to a simmer for another 20 minutes. Dish up a bowl and add your favorite toppings: shredded cheddar, sour cream, diced avocado, green onions, or jalapenos. Serve with corn chips for that added crunch. There you have it. A delicious and nutritious meal your family will love, all for under $10.